The HT-6SD-M2 is designed for high speed, high-precision drilling on all 6 sides of furniture panels, with cluster clamping technology and multi-spindle drilling heads. The machine performs multiple drilling operations in one setup, ensuring accurate hole positioning and consistent results. This CNC solution significantly reduces manual labor, shortens production time, and increases output, making it ideal for modern furniture factories. It supports flexible drilling programs for cabinets, wardrobes, wooden doors, and custom furniture components. Stable operation, easy CNC control, and reliable performance help manufacturers optimize costs and improve overall productivity.